Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 11, I believe, yes, of marching through my minis. I am on a mission to finish as many minis that I have had printed out in a drawer, ready to go. And it's been forever. And I feel like I'm like halfway through my stash, which is pretty awesome. And I have been really good and I haven't bought or gotten any new ones on Ko-fi. So I feel like I'm making some progress. Get through my stash and then I can get some new ones in. So I don't need to do that. I'm going to set my $8 there for a second. I have my little March binder all set up and my Too Cute to Pinch dashboards and all the things and prop coins are from Brittany at Budgeting with a Ginger, and mostly 25-cent pieces and a few 50 cents. And I bring $8 worth, or $8, and I have $8 worth of prop coins. So we are just going to see what we can do. I need to put my money in the bank though. We finished a bunch the other day. So I don't know if we're going to finish any today. But I do know that we're going to have fun on our mission to going through all of our minis. So we're going to start at number 2. You know how cute the little giraffe is. Every time I see a giraffe, I think of Dawn at Dawn Sunrise Budgeting. Dawn's the best. Okay, so do another little mix up. So I'm going to roll a D3. Whatever it lands on is how many prop coins it gets. 2 is getting 1. I like it when 1 gets 1, 2 gets 2, and 3 gets 3. Like that. Yes. 3 gets 3. Makes me happy. 1 for 4. How are you doing? How's everything going? 1 for 5. 1, 2, and 3 for number 6. 1 for number 7. 1, 2, and 3 for 8. We might be going through here a few times. Go to 1. 1, 2, and 3 for 1. That's pretty good. Can we get 2 for 2? Yes. Oh my gosh. Everybody, fingers crossed. Nope. But we got 2. So I'm happy with that. And we got a 50 center. Nice. I always try to skip number 4. Poor number 4. 4 got 2. Okay, number 5. Number 5 got 1. 6 got 3. Nice. 7 got 1. And we have 1 left. So that's automatically going to number 8. And we will start on number 1 tomorrow. So I'm just going to move this now. A cute little paper clip. Okay. And I think that's from Ashley over at Sassy Ginger Budgets, if I am not mistaken. So let's see. Number 1, we have 75 cents. And our challenge is from Dawn Sunrise Budgeting. Just speak of the devil. Oh, she should have been in the number 2 one. Oh, that's okay. All right. So we have 75 cents. So I can mark off 3 boxes. Let's do 1, 2, and 3. This will save us $4. And we are doing great with that one. All right. So number 2 also got 75 cents. And this one is, we don't know. I think it's from, I feel like it's from Susan over at Windmill Ridge Budgets, because I feel like I've seen her use that font, and we got a little cow there. So that's what I'm going with, so I can finish off the first row. I hope I'm right. I'd feel so bad if I was not, but all right, this one will save us $6. Okay, and then number 3. Ooh, 50. Oh my goodness, I got 2 50 cents. So $1. Oh my goodness, number 3 was coming in with $2. It's crazy. And this one is from Budgeting with Bree, 1487. And I got this, it looks like Ko-fi.com. So Ko-fi.com, Budgeting with Bree, 1487. And we can do $2. So 25.50, 75 $1, 25.50, 75 $1. Did 3 get all of the 50 centers? I think so. I don't think we're going to see any more. I even mixed it up a bunch. Oh, nope, there's another fill. All right, so we have $1 going into number 4. That makes me happy. This one is from Budget with Tiffany 26. So we can do $1. I think I'm going to color in the circles because I feel like I want to. I'm going to do orange. Orange I don't use very often, so I'll be right back. All right, there we go. That looks different. So we have $5. We will save $5 when that is done. I got ahead of my words. All right. Number 5 got 50 cents. And this is from Budgeting for Me. And it looks like we have 3 more spots, so we only get to do 2 of them. Let's get my darker green out. So 25 and 50. Looks like the milkshake is the last one. That's probably going to be my favorite out of all of them. All right, number 6. $1.50. Look at the popcorn. It's so cute. This is from Hannah at Prop Budget, so I can do $1.50. And we have the lighter green. So we have 25, 50, 75, $1, and 25 and 50. I know popcorn isn't green, but I wasn't thinking of color coordinating it when I colored it in last time. All right, number 7 got 50 cents. This is from Maribel at Mint Dough, so I can do 2 strawberries. So 25 and 50. I think you can see that okay. Yeah. That'll save us $3 when we are done. And then number 8. Let's see what 8 got. Looks like maybe $1. Yep. $1 for number 8. Oh my gosh, we did finish one. Yes. Yeah. Okay. So we needed 75 cents. This is Yoda 1 for me. And I am going to color the 3 hearts in, and I will be right back. All right, so this one saved $4. We have 25 cents we get to add into a new one. So let's go into my extras. Let's do the first one. This is A Garden of Savings, Financial Dreams with Christine. So each flower is 25 cents. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yep, saves $4. So let's do the orange again. So we have 25 cents. So we can do 1 flower. I guess I should have marked it with an X maybe. I don't know. Yay, we finished one. Oh my gosh, I didn't think we would. That's so exciting. Exciting. All right, so we go back to Too Cute to Pinch. And just look how adorable this is. I'm going to mix it up a little bit more. So we had 3 of the 50 cents in one, even though it was number 3. And for some reason, number 3 is my favorite. I have no idea why. All right, and then now we go to the bank and we need $4. So let's grab that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. And we'll go back here, stick it in our completed, which she has, Brittany has a sinking funds randomizer that she has at the end. I don't really use that because I like to do the left, right, center with my completed. So I just wrote completed on here, and that's where I'm sticking my money. And then let's put our challenge back here. And this is growing nicely for the 11th. So we're 1/3 of the way there. Not bad. I really want to count that. Look how poofy it looks. Wow, that's so exciting. All right, day 11 all done. I can't wait to hop in and do day 12. Spoiler alert, I'm doing it right after this one. So I hope you have a great rest of your day. And thank you so much for hanging out with me. And until next time, take care. Bye.